Well, Christmas is almost upon us. And tonight, we have a very special treat. Debuting their own holiday songs is one of my favorite musical duos, Garth and Kat.
Good morning to you and you. It's a great morning for Christmas dinner tonight. This is Jocelyn. She's my co-twerker here at Stilazzi. It is the morning of our, we both look like death, so excuse.
Like death.
We're gonna look better later. But we're gonna,
hopefully.
Yeah. We're gonna do our Christmas dinner today, and I'm not wearing a bra. But yeah, today's gonna be very chill. We're gonna be at work. So we're gonna, why are you laughing?
And I'm not wearing a
And
bra.
I'm not wearing a bra.
You're not wearing a bra.
It's not in the mood this morning.
Not in the mood. So I just want to do the intro right now this morning because I don't think I'll be able to do it later. But we're just at work drinking our coffee. Cheers. We'll see you guys later. Just recording for work. This is our setup. My mess that I don't want you to see. I'm just getting ready because we're gonna film a lip video. I think I'm actually gonna finish it on Friday because we're cutting it close, but pretty much we're done with work. We're just waiting to leave because we're gonna have, like we mentioned earlier, that dinner. So this is what I have on my face so far. I use that shimmery shade, Just a Kiss from Dose of Colors, and then the rest of the shades are from Spellbound. You've probably seen it in my previous video. I just did that on my eyes. I wasn't expecting to go this deep, but I did. Oops. The lashes I'm wearing are called Dolled Up Mini. I really like them because they're super piecey. I know a lot of people don't like this kind of lash, but I do like it. They have a normal size, and this one's considered the mini. I just don't know what lip I want to do, and I need to do... I'm looking a little pale. Oh, I need to spray my face. To match my foundation because my entire body is different colors. I'm tan, very light, very tan for my legs. I'm very pale from here. This is actually darker than my skin color. I put bronzer all the way down, so this is my skin color pretty much. Put bronzer down there too. We're en route. Gino's driving, fixing his hair. This place called SLOANS for our work dinner. I feel like I've said that a million times already. But we're on our way. It is in, what is this considered? West Valley Village?
Valley Village, West Hollywood? Some shit.
Gotcha.
I don't fucking know.
How's your earlobe doing?
Pretty good. Hello, YouTube.
But yeah, we're on our way. Today was just a casual work day, nothing crazy. We filmed.
Stop. Chill out, bro.
Yeah, you're not kidding. We have fried
Yeah, I'm
pickles.
really not kidding. There's brie in this.
It's
so.
seriously really
Brie mushroom bread plate.
Yeah, I can't do that much cheese. It's just that amount.
It is.
Wait, is it? Oh, it is.
I think so.
Ranch and pickles.
Yeah. Fried pickles with
It
ranch.
doesn't look like, it doesn't, I'm not gonna eat it because I also just had pickles.
How is it?
They give it to you with the fries.
Yum. Lord.
My fucking composure. Oh my god.
Yummy. Yum. I'm so
Delivery.
excited. So excited. Right here. Thank you. Yummy.
I was like, damn.
Look
if
at
my
all
mom.
those tacos.
Look at all those chickens.
You know, we just got in our hometown, we got a Chipotle. Oh, those Mexicans make some really good food. It's very hot though. I mean, muy caliente.
It's spicy. Where's yours, bitch?
I don't know. I ate it.
I've been working on my Spanish. Are you ready? Hola.
Hola.
Milano, Sandy.
Love it.
Anyway,
She knows how to eat edamame.
Yeah. He's like, yeah.
Yummy.
Show me the
Kid's
seat.
fancy.
It's kind of like she's
me
like
the
a
seat.
little person.
It is.
He is a person.
It's weird.
Show me.
Today when you walk in the house.
Wow, you ate it
He's
all.
like, don't say hi to me.
Let me just explain something.
He's busy.
Anyone else in my life could eat edamame and it would not be cute, but then this one eats edamame and it's just because of his size, he's adorable.
It's life changing.
And he's doing it really well.
Oh, right?
We just got some house-made fudge. How's my fave?
Another bottle?
Thank you.
Enjoy. It's house-made fudge.
Yum, thank
In the shape of
you.
Florida.
Florida.
I call Miami. Bye.
I call San Fran.
Who went to Orlando?
They didn't even give me San Diego.
Who went to Disney?
I want
oh
San
my
Francisco.
Oh, I want Disney.
god.
Jameson, do you want candy? Candy? Wow. What do you say?
Wow.
That was really good. He's guard. He is guard. We're watching
Amy Poehler is so
SNL.
great there.
Specials today. We've got steak and eggs served with warm fries and Mickey waffles.
I love me some steak and eggs.
Ever since they found mad cow disease in the U.S., I'm not taking any chances. It can live in your body for years before it ravages your brain.
They standed like 3 seconds. Did not make the cut. It was gross.
Terrible.
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 Why?
Okay, but
Disgusting. It was delicious.
No.
And nutritious.
Hey,
And nutritious.
He knows.
We won't tell you how many calories it was though.
It's amazing. I actually requested that he removes all the calories for us.
And he did it. Yeah.
It just costs
it
an
was
extra
so good.
$13.95.
Yeah,
How many
that's
pieces
it.
were on there?
A lot.
It seemed like a lot.
Nobody
I
counted.
only got one.
I had to.
to good health.
Yep. Cheers, 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 cheers.
Thank you guys.
19. So thank you guys.
Cheers.
Super bad like to cheers with one.
Say hi.
You just keep looking at that one.
We just left the dinner. It was lots of fun with everybody. I didn't film that much. I filmed little pieces here and there, but I was just kind of like living in the moment. I kept forgetting that I had my camera. But it was just our Christmas dinner, end of the year, at this place called SLOANS, which was really delicious. It's kind of like a hole-in-the-wall place, but it's very homey. I got you guys saw it was called Tres Amigos Tacos, and there's Nigel's. Anyways, I got the cauliflower tacos, the shrimp tacos, and the pork belly tacos. Everybody said the pork belly was really good. However, and normally I don't say these things, but the cauliflower, sorry, the blinker is what is making me look red. But the cauliflower tacos were so good. Like better than like a lot of things I've eaten before. They were so delicious. Hold on. But the cauliflower tacos were so delicious. Like, it reminded me of a Mexican dish. I just can't put my finger on it. It did not taste like cauliflower whatsoever. It tasted like something that I know, but I just can't think of it. But it was so good. And Gino had the nuts. What was it called?
What was it? The really big.
Yeah, a really big chicken sandwich.
That was really good. Really good.
All the guys got that. Jordan, Brian, and him. They all got the chicken sandwich, I guess, because it's safe. I didn't even try it. Damn it. I wanted to try
Should
it.
have. I swallowed. Like, I literally just. That's it. In one bite. I was so hungry.
It looked really good, but it was pretty much just fried chicken on a burger bun, pickles, and coleslaw.
Yeah, I think so. And ranch.
And ranch. Gino really likes ranch. And then, excuse me, I drank a few glasses of wine, so I'm getting a little gassy and burping.
That's why she's wasted.
I'm not wasted. It's really dark right now. So this is it for this vlog. I know it was very short, but again, these are the Christmas vlogs, and I'm trying to get as many Christmas Eve vlogs out as possible. But we had so much fun. Just a little recap. Everybody at that dinner works for Stilazzi, including me, Gino, and I.
Me, Gino, and I, yeah.
Me, Gino, and I do their social media. Gino does the videography, so all the videos you see on their YouTube, on their site, on any of their social media, pretty much is recorded and edited by Gino. And then most of them are by, I wouldn't even say most of them, a good part of them are from me. We do have artists that come in, very great artists that come in that film with us. But point being is that was just a Stilazzi team dinner. So we have Jordan, who does has done all of our campaigns, so everyone is just part of the Stilazzi squad. But yeah, that is pretty much our year, and we're, I guess you would say,
that wasn't our year, that was just our dinner.
That was our that was just our dinner. Well, it pretty much is the end of the year.
Okay, now you guys know how buzzed she is. She doesn't know what she's saying right now.
No, because Brian was talking about our year. Anyway, going off on 100,000,000 tangents. That's not even a number. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, and also I say this in every single video, but if you made it this far, make sure you subscribe, because you made it this far, so you might as well subscribe. You know what I mean?
You just repeated yourself.
No, I know, but that's what I'm saying. You made it this far.
If you made it this far, you should subscribe. So if you made it this far, just subscribe.
Exactly. So you made it this far, so you might as well subscribe. So subscribe.
Because you made it this far.
Because you made it this far. And since you made it this far, you should like this video. So make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe.
Oh my god. Just say bye already. Jesus. Say bye already.
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
Look, a Lamborghini.